Everyone, and welcome to this video. Today we're talking about dgpt.club. If you know it's a scam or legit website. So let's get started. First, guys, this is powerful distributed platform and with global resources accelerating complex AI task processing. And this is with technology sharing, and this is AI business app working closely with the tech organizations offer and creative solution with worldwide AI progress. This is a cycle, guys, the model share this distributed AI, and this is a global distributed network integrating with power smartphone and mobile devices with all around the world, as you can see here. With this is contributed with this most popular company, for example, OpenAI, Google, and Facebook. This is the model support CNN, and this is model. I go to overview, guys, as you can see here, this is have a lot of project and background, as you can see here. If I check this website, guys, this is domain name a.i.dgpt, and the server, as you can see here, created on 2024 8/27 this month, and this expired data of domain 25, and this is 1 year domain age. So guys, this is register contact, as you can see here. This is company name, and this is all information is as you can see here, email address, the fax number. So guys, this is platform. Do your own research before investing in this platform, and I hope this video helpful for you.